How to change the shipping address for a USPS shipment already in transit.
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic. How can you change the shipping address for a USPS shipment that's already been sent? This could be a crucial lifesaver when you realize you've sent a package to the wrong address, or if you need to redirect a package due to sudden change of plans.
What is USPS Package Intercept?
Before we start with the process, let's understand what USPS Package Intercept is. This service from USPS allows the sender of a mail piece or package to request to have it redirected before delivery. It's crucial to note that not all shipments are eligible for Package Intercept, but most domestic shipments, including priority mail and first-class packages, are.
How to request a Package Intercept.
Now, let's get into the actual process of requesting a Package Intercept. 1. Visit the USPS website. The first thing you need to do is to go to the USPS website. Look for the Track and Manage section, and under that, you'll find the Intercept a Package option. 2. Enter the tracking number. After you're in the Intercept a Package section, enter your package's tracking number. Remember, the tracking number is crucial for identifying and locating your package. 3. Check eligibility. Once you've entered the tracking number, the system will let you know if your package is eligible for the Intercept service. 4. Submit an Intercept request. If your package is eligible, you can then proceed to submit your Intercept request. You'll need to fill out some information and also provide the new address where you want the package to be sent. 5. Pay the fees. There's a fee for the Package Intercept service, and you need to pay this online at the time of your request. The fee includes both the intercept and the redirection of the package to the new address.
What happens after requesting a Package Intercept?
After successfully submitting your request and paying the fees, USPS will attempt to intercept and redirect the package. Please note that the USPS does not guarantee package intercepts. It is subject to availability and location of the package in the delivery process. In case the intercept is successful, you'll receive a confirmation and your package will be redirected to the new address. If it's not successful, the package will be delivered to the original address and the intercept fees will be refunded. And there you have it. That's how you can change the shipping address for a USPS shipment that's already been sent. Remember, it's not a guaranteed service, but it's a great tool to have when you need to make changes after the package is already on its way. We hope this guide was helpful, and thank you for tuning in. Stay safe and take care.